Nikiwamano kia mwaka uyu kiendia na kuria mboga matunda na mahua kiria kirongoreirie kumenya haria urimi na wendia wa magetha maya ukinyite hindi ya kigomano giki ukinyaniru wa ikiro hari indo itiganite thoko-ini cia gitaru kia ruraya ni ugwetetwo gukorwo na igeca urimi wa makorobia ari umwe umurikitwo.
Sole purpose is to increase the access of market for our Kenyan fresh produce, both in the domestic market and across the borders. And we thought it's important for us to have this conversation so that we can take stock of what has been going on in the last year.
The horticultural exports give Kenya export earnings of up to 157 billion. That is what we earned last year, 157 billion Kenya shillings from fruits, flowers and vegetables. So it's a significant contributor to the economy.
Kuringana na murugamiri wa thirikari wa ihinda ruhonge-ini rwa ukuria wa magetha maya Christine Chesaro, makorobia ma bururi wa Kenya makoretwo itari-ini ria matunda maria mekirire nganja thoko-ini ya kimabũrũri undu ukiiga thoko eno hatikaini.
We are working towards enhancing those services to ensure that Kenya is sending 100% quality fruit. And we are having discussions with the stakeholders on how we can step up our practices in a way that we will ensure that every fruit that leaves Kenya meets a quality standard.
Chesaro wagatariria bata wa thirikari kwambika njira cia guteithiriria arimi guthimaga ukinyaniru wa makorobia mao matanaingira thoko-ini kuona maingi mao matigeragio kigeri-ini giki.
We are currently at number 5 globally in terms of the global suppliers of avocado. And we stand a better chance if we improve on quality.
Our farmers and our producers have to learn not just to produce, but to produce for a market. So you need to understand those dynamics within that market for you to be able to satisfy those requirements.
Nigo gukinyaniria wagiriru wa matunda mboga na mahua unyitaniri wa thirikari nene na thirikari cia county ni undu ugwetetwo guteithiriria arimi kuma irima-ini ria hathara.
We work very closely with the producer associations, with farmers and with governments to enhance capacity to be able to be responsive.
I think the first initiative that we are taking is capacity building. We need to, and we are working with the counties to capacity build our farmers.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa FPCK Okisegere Jepat, ruhonge rwo ni rumwe ruhonge irire no hoti munene wa kumathira bururi muigana munene wa kigina kuria mwaka muhituku warehire bururi makiria ya shilingi bilioni 150.
We are currently at a point where we're looking at about 500,000 direct jobs, but we're looking at perhaps in the next 3 years if we can be able to triple those numbers and double those numbers, and this will all be done because of the conversation we are having here. So we
kumana na mateta ma kurituhio kwa njira cia mirihire ya magoti hari thuguri no thirikari ni ranire kuhuthia mirihire ya magoti maya niguo kunyihia murigo kuri arimi na onjoria.
The institutions that are involved in clearing export produce have been tasked to harmonize the processes and reduce those processes to increase efficiency.
Hadunia Kameme TV leto rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.